Okay, so now we have Blepha Gel. Can you tell me more about this product?
Absolutely. So Blepha Gel is a really cooling carbomer gel. So it's very, very simple. So if you've got very inflamed, very sore eyelids, you might have a little bit of build-up of crustiness as well. Your optometrist will have recommended Blepha Gel to help cool those lids down and get them feeling a bit more comfortable.
Excellent. Can you tell me how to use this product?
Absolutely, I can show you if you like.
Yeah,
you can
sure.
give some a try. So you simply do one full pump onto the back of your hand. So you can see you get quite a lot there.
Okay.
And then that will do both eyes. So use the end of your finger and really gently wipe that across either your lower lid or your upper lid. That's it.
Give it a try.
And gently wipe it in. And you should hopefully feel that it's feeling a little bit cooler and a little bit more comfortable, and just let that absorb in. There's no need to wash it off. Just let it absorb in and do that nice cooling action.
That feels nice, thank you.